Hello students, so today we are going to learn the definition of molecular mass of a substance. The definition says the molecular mass of a substance is the sum of atomic masses of all the constituent atoms present in the molecular formula of the substance. So let us first focus on this term molecular formula. Suppose you are talking about water molecule. We all know that the water molecule is H2O. So this molecule contains total 3 atoms, 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Now the atomic mass of one hydrogen atom is 1, and the atomic mass of one oxygen atom is 16. So the molecular mass will become 2 into 1 because there are two atoms of hydrogen plus 16 because there is only one atom of oxygen. This makes it 18. So this is the molecular mass of this water. So if there is a molecule is given and you know the atomic masses of all the atoms present in that molecular formula, then you have to simply add their masses to get the molecular mass of that formula. Remember that for this one you need to remember the molecular formula of some elements. What do you mean by formula mass? You perhaps know that there are certain molecules like sodium chloride or ethylene. Let us take sodium chloride. This sodium chloride is an ionic compound. You know that Na plus and Cl minus, due to these two ions join with each other due to the electrostatic force. Now they do not exist like that. If you take a sodium chloride crystal, you will see that in the center the sodium ion is present. Suppose there is a square type of thing like this. In the middle the sodium ion will be there, and in these corners also the sodium ions will be present, and over here in these positions the chlorine ions will be present. If you look at this structure from a side, it will look like this. In these corners and in the middle the sodium ion will be placed, and over here on these portions, on these sides, the chlorine ions will be present. Now such a structures lie above this and below this also. The same thing. In the center the sodiums are present, in the corners also the sodiums are present, and on these sides the chlorine ions are present. So these things form a lattice, a structure, a cuboid like a structure. So in this case you can see that this molecular formula, so NaCl, is not sufficient because many NaCls are combined to form this sodium chloride, as it is an ionic compound. So for them we cannot define this molecular mass. So for them you have to define formula mass. As you can see, the ionic compounds and polymeric compounds do not exist as a simple molecule. They exist as macromolecules. Macro means something bigger than the normal molecules. I have already discussed the sodium chloride thing. Polyethylene is also an example of this. Thank you. In the next portion we are going to discuss about question number 10. There we are going to define this formula mass. Thank you. Take care.